Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something really exciting to share with you. We're going to talk about 5 incredible ways you can earn money with Chatgpt. That's right, this amazing AI language model developed by OpenAI can not only assist you with generating creative content, but it can also be a fantastic tool for making some extra income. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First way, freelance writing. Chatgpt can be your secret weapon in the world of freelance writing. Many clients are looking for engaging, well-written content, and that's where you come in. You can use Chatgpt to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and even generate initial drafts. It saves you time and allows you to focus on refining and polishing the content. With your expertise combined with Chatgpt's assistance, you can deliver high-quality articles, blog posts, and even social media captions. So, sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and start offering your services as a Chatgpt-assisted writer. Second way, content creation. Are you a content creator looking for fresh and innovative ideas? Chatgpt can be your creative collaborator. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or social media influencer, Chatgpt can help you generate ideas for videos, podcasts, or posts. You can ask Chatgpt for topic suggestions, outline frameworks, or even request specific information for research purposes. By leveraging the power of Chatgpt, you'll always have a wealth of ideas to create compelling content that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Third way, virtual assistant. Chatgpt can be your very own virtual assistant, and you can offer this service to others. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals need assistance with managing their emails, scheduling appointments, and organizing their tasks. You can use Chatgpt to help with these administrative tasks. By integrating Chatgpt into your workflow, you can streamline your processes and become an efficient virtual assistant. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Freelancer.com are great places to offer your services and connect with clients who need virtual assistants. Fourth way, Chatgpt tutoring. As Chatgpt continues to evolve, there's a growing demand for people who can understand and utilize it effectively. You can become a Chatgpt tutor. Share your expertise and knowledge with others who want to learn how to maximize the potential of this AI language model. You can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions, create online courses, or even conduct workshops. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to monetize your knowledge and reach a wider audience eager to learn about Chatgpt. Fifth way, Chatgpt YouTube channel. Last but not least, you can create your own YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the capabilities of Chatgpt. This could include tutorials, demonstrations, and discussions about the various applications of Chatgpt. You can share tips, tricks, and best practices with your viewers while building a community around this incredible tool. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and even Patreon. So grab your camera, start recording, and let the world know about the amazing possibilities of Chatgpt. And there you have it, 5 fantastic ways to earn money with Chatgpt. Whether you're a writer, content creator, virtual assistant, tutor, or aspiring YouTuber, Chatgpt can be your ticket to success.